Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And today I'm bringing you a first look right here of this phone. That's right guys, the X23 by Vivo. And your first look right here, right in front of the globe of the X23. There it is guys. Now I want you to just watch while I do this right here, real quick. Boom. Watch that again. Boom. And that's the story of this phone, guys. It is the first under the display fingerprint scanner on Frankie Tech right here. And I want to just share my thoughts with you guys on this phone. But first of all, let's look at what is inside the box right here. Let's have a look right here indeed. Now, so this phone, you may have seen a cousin of this phone in the Vivo V11 that just came out recently. It's been reviewed multiple times on multiple channels, but I decided to get the X23 right here, and I'll tell you guys why in a second. There's the charging cable. There you can see there are some Vivo headphones, and there is the actual charger. Now let's look at what the charger is on this phone here. It is there's a 10 volt charger there, maximum setting. So that's one positive note there, that this will be able to get a slightly faster charging just on its own. All right, there you go. So that's really good. So now let's look at the actual phone itself. And now, just FYI guys, it does include this TPU case right there. But now let's go back to it here. Let's look at the phone guys, and let's go down the laundry list here. Design, display, performance, quick audio test, and the camera. So talking about design, this is where I want to spend most of the time on. Look at this phone. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this phone. And this phone got this kind of blue shimmer to it. It's getting a little bit late here, so it's hard for me to show it. But there is this kind of blue shimmer you may see there at certain angles. It's very glossy edges right there. You see, you got the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. You got the power button on this side, and there it is. Wow, wow. That's right, guys. Micro USB. Unfortunate on a phone this expensive. In fact, I think this is intentional. I really think that these companies are intentionally including the micro USB to make this an undesirable purchase for most Western buyers. Really, that is the case, because that is just unacceptable for a phone this nice. Now over here we got the volume rocker, power button, and actually I guess this is I don't know what kind of button that is. We'll have to wait and see. But now talking about display, and you see there, boom. What's the first thing I can bring up? In Fingerprint Display, boom. And you see it is fast. It is fast. And you know what, guys? Like, if OnePlus implements this on their phone this way, it's going to be a game changer, because this phone is definitely, kind of just for China, but this is really a lot better than I expected it to be. So I just tap the screen, you see that, it comes up, and then boom. Let me show you one last time there. Boom. And that's it. And so display wise guys, we got a beautiful, absolutely beautiful display on this device. It's an AMOLED display, and if I'm not mistaken, we're looking at a well over 6-inch display here, at least a 6.26, if not bigger display here on this phone. This may be a 6.4. I'm gonna have to double check that. But now going right into kind of just the display itself, it is an AMOLED display on this phone. And I immediately noticed when I started playing with it, I was like, this display is gorgeous. And you can kind of tell there, the viewing angles, with the colors, it looks unbelievable. And honestly, for the price, now I paid 3,000 Hong Kong dollars for this phone, but it is going for much more, around 500 euros for this phone. I got this one 99% used, so I got this one for a much kind of lower price than I normally would, only because I'm gonna test this out for a little bit. I will probably not keep this phone for very long. I just wanted to show you guys how awesome this phone looks in its kind of like, you know, this phone is just looking amazing at this point. I keep looking for the fingerprint scanner on the back, guys, but I can't find it. But major category here, performance, guys. This is the Snapdragon 670. Guys, 670 right there. And that is the major point of this video, is that this is the Snapdragon 6. Sorry, just got to get the focus right here. 670. And what does that mean for performance, guys? Well, let me show you right here. I took a quick, let's see if I can find it here. Well, I did take a photo earlier, guys, so let me show you that real quick. And the shooter on this is just beautiful. It's an f1.8 aperture, 20 megapixel shooter. Now, I'm not trying to be very precise with this video right here, but let me see if I can find the actual specs of this phone right here. So I have implemented the full screen gestures right here on this phone. There it is. There it is, guys. The Vivo specs: 1727 single core and 5833 multi-core. So that's your first look of the Snapdragon 670 right here on Frankie Tech. And this is the 8 GB version with 128 gigs of storage. I got the high-end version because I really wanted to check and see how the Snapdragon 670 performed at the top end. And so you're seeing there, you are getting close, if not beyond, the Snapdragon 835 or the 8, yeah, definitely the 835 in terms of performance right there. That is a great score, and that makes this mid-range chip just an absolute stellar chip for whatever you need it to do. And performance for me, it's, I can tell already. And let me go ahead and let me go put Gboard on here, because I'm absolutely sick and tired of these Chinese, and no offense to Chinese people, because I love you guys, you know, and I can speak some Cantonese a little bit right now. I can say, well, hi, Frankie. I can say, Hong Kong, Tin Hei, ho ho. That means the weather in Hong Kong today was pretty nice, but it actually wasn't. It was more ho cha, really. It was pretty rainy overall. But you can see there, guys, it is an absolute performer here. And I wish I could show you guys more of that stuff. But let's go right into the audio. And the audio, the most important thing here will be to show you there is a bottom firing speaker, but most importantly, there is that 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. I will be doing a full audio test of that soon. But I can assure you guys that I'm not nervous about this phone being able to perform here in the audio test. And last but not least, let's do that Frankie camera shot here, the classic Frankie Tech camera shot. Take a photo, it says. Let's take that photo. Coming up to twilight there, and that was without any kind of like work there. Look at that, beautiful. What a beautiful shot. That f1.8 aperture is definitely helping out here on the Vivo X23. A very nice shot indeed. So that's the end of the video, guys. The Vivo X23, man. It's the Vivo 11 Pro on steroids. That's really kind of the best way to describe it. It is an absolutely gorgeous phone, and my first time experience on Frankie Tech of that awesome under the display fingerprint right there. Unbelievable. Final verdict on this phone for now, man. If this is the OnePlus 6, sign me up, man. I am excited for the OnePlus 6. So stay tuned, guys. And if you like this video, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon. And stay tuned, guys, for that giveaway. I'll be giving away that Redmi Note 6 Pro, guys, very soon. I'll be doing that video very soon. So stay tuned for that video. That's it for this video, guys. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one.